Welcome to day 6 in Tokyo. Today is day 6. I leave tomorrow, like night basically. We pretty much just have today and tomorrow. Today we are going to the aquarium and I'm not really sure where else we're going. I think we're going to the Shibuya. I'm not sure how to say that. But the crossing, I know there's a couple pictures that I definitely want to take over there, which is why I'm going to the aquarium dressed like this. Yeah, it's a little uncomfy, but that's fine. I'm not really sure what's going on with my hair. I was trying to do some cute buns. So we're gonna go to breakfast and then we're gonna head to the aquarium. And I honestly don't know what else today has in store, so we shall see. Hey, okay, so we're home. It's been a long day. We went to the aquarium today and we also went to the Shibuya. I'm not really sure how to say it. But like the crossing thing to take some pictures. And then we went to this, it's kind of like a Walmart, but it's like this giant store, like 6 floors of just so much stuff. Like they literally have everything there. I know Tokyo is like really well known for like the weird Kit Kat flavors. Obviously I had to get some. They're just for Easter, so that's exciting. They are banana flavored Kit Kats. Yum, right? I just ordered about $50 of these Easter banana Kit Kats because I know I'm gonna eat this bag tonight. So I got these for my boyfriend. They're strawberry cheesecake flavors. These, because it's Sakura season, so they have a lot of like Sakura stuff that's not always available. Sakura Kit Kats, but they also have sake in them, so they have some alcohol. I'm about to get lit off the Kit Kats. Then I just bought some little like gummy candies to take home for my boyfriend and me because we just love them. They're a little, I think they're sour, but I'm not entirely sure. Like peach gummy thing. They're for my boyfriend. These little strawberry gummies. I had the grape version of these. Really good. Grape sour thingies, same as the peach. Got 2 of these watermelon ones because we both love watermelon, so we're just gonna get her. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day, so we're going to Yokohama, which there's like an amusement park type thing and some other stuff around there. And then we're going to, I think it's called Akihabara. They're gonna wear my cool pants because why else did I buy them? I just think it'd be fun, like live a little, you know what I mean? I have to pack because I leave tomorrow at like 12:30 and then that's the end of my trip. I'm definitely gonna come back though because it's really cool here. I like it a lot. I'll see you all in the morning. I don't know why I just did that. Today is my last day in Tokyo. Bless you. We are at a Family Mart right now because I wanted to get, they have these pancakes with syrup and butter inside of them. So those are crazy. I wanted to try those. I also got this like chocolate bread because the bread here is phenomenal. And honestly, I just want to come back and eat everything in here.
Don't be afraid.
I'm gonna syrup. That's so good.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
Yes. Lots of cheese. Thank you so much. Has all of like the anime stuff. Wearing the pants that Eddie and I got to originally walk around Harajuku in. I'm wearing them now because I didn't spend $50 for nothing. It definitely got some weird looks on the train, but it's more money.
That looks so true. The next Riley Reid, gentlemen. I mean, who's Riley Reid?
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
Right, give it a fork.
Loser! Sad, but happy to see my boyfriend. But I just want to stay here. It's so much fun.